Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the 3 things to make your competition irrelevant. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every time I come out with a new video, and that is every single day. So if you're interested in that, do that. And now let's get straight into the video and the 3 things to make your competition irrelevant. So the very first thing is to niche down. A lot of people try to do the exact opposite of this, and that doesn't end up very well at all. You don't want to be someone that sells everything for everyone, because that doesn't exist and that won't happen. So for instance, if you're trying to make like an ad or a video or whatever to how to make money online. So instead of doing, how to make money online, which is very broad, like there's about 10 million different ways to make money online. So you want to niche down a bit. So for instance, what you can do is say how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And that is a bit more, you get into the idea that it's affiliate marketing, and that is the way that you're going to make money online. But still, there's about 1,000 different ways to make affiliate marketing money. So you want to niche down even more than that. So you can make, for instance, how to make money online with affiliate marketing with free traffic, because that gives you everything that you need to know. You're going to know how to make money online, you're going to use affiliate marketing, and that's going to use only free traffic. And that's what, for instance, this is what most of my videos are about, is free traffic. I'm not talking about how to make money online in general. I'm not talking about how to make money online with paid traffic. That can happen on my channel. This is something that I could potentially talk about, because this channel is about how to make money online and passive income. But I really want to make specific videos that are very precise. So for instance, how to make money online with affiliate marketing and free traffic, using only free traffic. That way you get a good understanding on what you want to do, because so many channels out there are trying to do so many broad things. It's not just how to make money online, but for instance a fitness channel, and it's just a fitness channel. Instead of that, what you can do is how to gain muscle very quick, and the best foods that you can use, or with a vegetarian diet or something like that. And that is a way that you can really niche down and get the targeted traffic, because that's what you're interested in. You want targeted traffic. You don't want traffic that's coming from all over the place, that's not targeted, that's never ever gonna buy something from you. You really want to help people out in a specific niche that are very targeted. So if you're making videos, make sure that they're specific and that you stay in one niche, but you also want to niche down when you're making that specific video. So you could do a way to gain free traffic, and then you could do another video that's how to gain with paid traffic, but you don't want to do everything in one single video. So the next thing that you want to do is promote recurring or high ticket offers. So that's the best way that you can do it, because as I said before, if you don't do if you don't do a high ticket, for example, or a recurring offer, which is what I do. I promote Builderall, for if you don't know, because this is something that I really believe in, that I trust, that I use, and that is extremely affordable, because this channel is about making money online without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars. So it would be irrelevant for me to sell something that's worth $500,000, $100,000, because that's not what we want. So, you know, I'm using a software that I use called Builderall, and that is recurring offers. So what that means is basically, back in the day, you could promote anything and it would be profitable. You could promote something where you could get $5 back and you would make money, it would be worth the time and everything like that. In today's world, it doesn't work the same way. Now you need to have either high ticket or recurring offers, because you can spend way more time actually promoting a product, and you know, without worrying about if you're going to get a sale in the first month, the first 2 months. It doesn't really matter, because at the end of the day, as soon as you make one sale, either it's going to be something big and you're going to make a lot of money off it, or it's going to be something recurring that's going to pay you month after month after month, which is the way I use it. But if you want to promote more high ticket offers, that absolutely works as well. And the other thing that I touched on earlier in this video is you also can focus on more targeted people, because you know, if you're selling something, again, that's for everyone, that it's obviously going to be a cheap product, because if it's for everyone, it's going to be something cheap. It's going to be a lot harder to acquire a customer that way. So it's very important that you understand that if you're promoting a recurring offer, then I have a video about like the best offers to get, and or high ticket offers, because that's going to get you a lot of money in one go as soon as somebody buys it. Keep in mind that high ticket offers are a bit more harder to sell, but you can still do that. So, you know, just keep that in mind, but it absolutely works. I know a lot of people that do, and especially if they have a low entry cost and then they have like upsales where people pay a lot of money for it. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to adapt to the market. A lot of people don't do that. Back in the day, you would go on forums and, you know, people would like advertise a lot on these forums. People got sick of it and then they switched to something else. Maybe it was blogs. And, you know, they made blogs, and, you know, blogs still actually work, but you know, now the big thing is video. So YouTube is one of the biggest ways to actually promote something. So you have to really keep evolving, because if you stayed back in the day in forums and you were still in forums today, then you would probably make very little money. If you stay in blogs too long, then there's a chance that it will be irrelevant and not too long. The reason that is, and I'm forgetting the numbers right there, but I believe in like 2 or 3 years, they say that 85% of the traffic on the internet is going to be video. So if you're not making video right now, you're missing out on something. But maybe in, you know, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, it will be something completely different. Like, you know, something that we don't even know about. Maybe it's going to be someone that's, you know, coming to your house, even though I doubt that, because that will be very, very hard to actually scale and grow, but it will probably something be completely different than video. However, if you already have a video following on YouTube, for example, then you can take it to the next step, just like we had. You know, if you had a blog and you tell everyone, like if you had a big following on your blog, you could say, I'm building a YouTube channel, come out and check out my YouTube channel. Then all the real followers, the real fans would go to your YouTube video, and now you would have a lot of like subscribers on your YouTube channel. And when the next thing comes, then you can switch to that next thing. So keep in mind that you always have to adapt to the market, because the market changes all the time, and that's just how business works. And you really have to be excited about the next step. Don't just go to the next step because you have to, but get into it and try to be the best at doing that. Just like you would on your YouTube channel, if you have a YouTube channel, which I highly suggest, but we're not going to get into that in this video. So really make sure that you adapt to the market. So if we get back to what, like everything I said, First of all, niche down to like the maximum amount that you can do in every single video. If you're making video, if you're doing a blog, same thing. You really want to niche down because that's going to be how you're going to grow. The next thing is you want to promote recurring or high ticket offers. So if you're interested in doing one of these, you can team up with my affiliate team, and there's a link in the description that you can check out. The next thing is you want to adapt to the market, because otherwise, you know, you'll just fall behind. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.